I'm John Ivan, and this is the GHIA244 project. I've been trying this YouTube thing for a while, but the reality is I've had this video equipment issues. I've been trying to work it out for a while, so I'm going to try it again and see how it goes. Right now I'm trying to get this thing ready for Cruzin the Coast. Today is August the 21st, 2025, and in October is Cruzin the Coast. I have all this wiring that I have to do. Basically everything inside here in the engine bay. I just finished the rear wiring for the tail lights and everything in here in this area, so right now I can put all my radiator and everything back in, radiators and everything back in here. So I'm gonna do some time-lapse video on that, but I've got the motor and everything ready, but I have to get the wiring harness connected to this wiring harness here. So all the wiring needs to be done on it, but I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of the way. In case you don't know, this is a 2007 Acura TSX that's transplanted into the car. I have everything but the airbags and the navigation system, but everything else is in the car, including ABS brakes and everything. So let's get to the time lapse and cue the music.
Beneath my feet, sunlight slicing like a blade. Windows down, air tastes sweet. Rust and time, our debts unpaid. Riding down the road in a car and GHIA. Wind screaming louder than my fear. Chrome dreams, gas and dust, burning up the miles we trust. Grip tight, engine coughs, but it still sings. Yellow lines fade into the night, freedom wrapped in broken wings. No map, no plan, just go. The past can't follow where we roll. Riding down the road in a car and GHIA. Wind screaming louder than my fear. Chrome dreams, gas and dust, burning up the miles we trust. No map, no plan, just go. The past can't follow where we roll. Riding down the road in a car and GHIA. Wind screaming louder than my fear. Chrome dreams, gas and dust, burning up the miles we trust. Fingers on the wheel, grip tight. Engine coughs, but it still sings. Yellow lines fade into the night. Freedom wrapped in broken wings. No map, no plan, just go. The past can't follow where we roll. No map, no plan, just go. The past can't follow where we roll. The past can't follow where we roll. Rusty radio spinning static lights. Moonlight dancing in the cracked up glass. Every mile of truth, every turn a try. Chasing something too wild to last. Rusty radio, spitting static lights. Moonlight dancing in the cracked up glass.
Alright, so I am done with this rear section. The tail lights need to have a interrupter made, so that way my blinkers will work when you hit the brake lights. But other than that, everything back here is done. AC systems put in, as you can see in the video, that the radiator hoses underneath all that was connected, the wires are connected, everything's done. So all the way up to this point, the rear's pretty much done. Only thing left outside of that is the grill. I got to make the grill, and I have all the brass over there for that. Yes, it's going to be a brass grill, so make sure that you subscribe or follow me, because you want to see that whenever I'm done if you're interested in the project. Until next time, appreciate you sticking around. Have a good one.
Built from blood, built from pain.